How to read Facebook Messenger messages without them knowing. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you simply need to do is launch the Messenger application and make sure you're logged into your account. Then simply scroll down the status bar, and what you need to simply do is toggle on the option of airplane mode. So as you turn on the airplane mode, you can just go back to your message and read the message over here. As you read the message, then the reader, the other person, will not be able to be notified, or they can see that you have read the messages because your device is offline right now. So after reading on this message, you can just go back, make a long press on the message and tap on mark as unread. Then you can just scroll down the status bar and toggle off the airplane mode. And as you do that, you'll be able to read the Facebook Messenger messages without them knowing. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.